No words could describe the grief that Thai people felt during the time. From the 14th of October 2016, endless streams of people travelled to the royal field, determined to mourn the passing of King Bhumibol Adulyadej. At the Grand Palace, they poured scented water in front of his image, which was symbolic of the bathing of the body, signed their names in condolence books, and bowed down in deep respect for the king. Although they had to stand in line for hours, sometimes under the blazing sun and pouring rain, nothing could stop them from coming to bid farewell to their father in remembrance of his boundless benevolence.
รู้สึกปลาบปลื้มค่ะแล้วก็ดีใจที่ได้เป็นส่วนหนึ่งในงานของพระองค์ท่านภูมิใจครับที่เกิดมาใต้ร่มพระบาทของพระเจ้าอยู่หัว
Faced with the great loss, Thai hearts became one in remembering how much of a selfless giver the king always was to them. The situation saw Thai people of all ages and walks of life take up the role of a giver in order to follow the king's footpath. Some used their skills to express their grief and mourning, and to remember the talented father of their land. The Prime Minister ordered the Ministry of Culture to record this historical event by inviting people to share their photos, videos, poems and writings from over the country and the world in order to comprise them into the people's archives. In the evening after work, people from all directions continued to head to the Grand Palace without end. It was a scene of loyalty, as people jointly paid respect and honoured the passing of the great king throughout the night. At the same time, Thais in other provinces and abroad arranged events to mourn the passing of the king amid overwhelming sorrow. World's royalty, leaders, and people from different countries expressed sorrow for the passing of King Bhumibol and joined in the mourning and praised his incomparable genius in ruling the country.